Good morning, children. Now we'll start with our English worksheets. Now, children, the activity we will do today is on page 79, 80 and 81 of our English book. Okay. Today we will learn about the words in and on. So first let's look at the word in. The activity is very simple. You have to write the word in the blanks. But what do we mean by in? In मतलब क्या होता है? In मतलब अंदर, किसी चीज के अंदर. So look at this picture. What do you see? Here's a rat and here is the jug. Now where is the rat? The rat is in the jug. This rat, ये जो चूहा है, ये जग के अंदर है. So what we will do is, we have to write the rat is in the jug. The rat is in the jug. Now where is this hen? This hen is in the den. ये hen den के अंदर है, right? So we will write the hen is in the den. What about this fish, the cod fish? Cod. The cod is in the net. क्या ये net के ऊपर है? Is it on the net? Under the net? No, it is in the net, inside the net. The cod is in the net. So you will write in the net. The cod is in the net. After writing this, you have to read the full sentence, okay? What about this hen? Where is the hen? The hen is in the box. Where is the bug? The bug is in the mug. So it's a very simple activity. You have to write in and read the sentence. Look at the picture and read the sentence. This is on page 79. Now let's move to page number 80. Here you have to write the word on. But what is on? On क्या होता है? ऊपर. Like this pencil is on the book. ये book के ऊपर रखा है. Right? So let's look at these pictures. What is this? This is a pig. And what is this? This is a fig. This fruit is a fig. So, where is the fig kept? This fig is kept on the pig. So, the fig is on. On, on the pig. The fig is on the pig. ये pig के ऊपर है. Here we have a rat and a bat. So, where is the rat? The rat is on the bat. So, we will write the rat is on the bat. ये rat bat के ऊपर बैठा है. In the same way, you have to complete these sentences, but you have to also read it. The hat is on the cat. ये hat cat के ऊपर है. So the hat is on the cat. Next, the cod. The cod is on the rod. The cod is on the rod. ये cod fish जो है fishing rod के ऊपर है. The cod is on the rod. Now where is this bug? The bug is on the rug. The bug is on the rug. ये bug rug के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है. So you will write here on and read. The bug is on the rug. Right? Now moving to page number 81 of your English book. Here write in or on. Now you have understood what is in. In मतलब अंदर, on मतलब ऊपर. Like see this pencil. If I keep it here on the book, the pencil is on the book. But if I close the book like this, अब ये पेंसिल कहाँ है? पेंसिल बुक के अंदर है. So the pencil is in the book. Did you understand the difference? So here, now you have to look at the picture and understand. In लिखना है कि on लिखना है? ये अंदर है कि ऊपर है? The cap, okay, is dash the tub. So is the cap on the tub or in the tub? It is in the tub. क्योंकि ये टब के अंदर है. So I will write in. The cap is in the tub. The pot is dash the tin. So is this pot on the tin or in the tin? ये pot tin के अंदर है कि ऊपर है? ऊपर है, right? So the pot is on the tin. So you will write on. The pot is on the tin. So here, the hen is in the pan or on the pan? Now this you have to look at the picture and write in or on. कौन सा सही है? अंदर है कि ऊपर है? The pen is in the bag or on the bag? And the dog is in the log or on the log? ये लॉग के अंदर है कि लॉग के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है? ऊपर है तो ऑन लिखना है, अंदर है तो इन लिखना है. कौन सा सही है? In or on? You have to complete the sentences. So this is your activity, children. Page number 79, 80 and 81 of your English book. That's all for today. Thank you.